Okay, we are working with our CPM or NoWeed Hard Surface. First, we're going to put a plain piece of paper down on our heat press. Now, here's my image. If you want to put the image on the back, you don't have to mirror it. But if you want to put it on the front, you mirror it. So I wanted to put mine on the back. So I'm going to lay this down. Here's my image that I've already printed out. I'm going to center it on my acrylic. And then I'm going to take our pad, put that down over it. If you have heat tape, you can use heat tape on little tiny pieces of heat tape on it to keep it in place. I'm just going to put my pad over it, keep it in place. I've already tested my heat press, the pressure of it, with the thickness of this substrate in the pad. So we're going to press it for 1 minute at 300 degrees. This is going to be warm, so you want to be careful. And we're going to warm peel it. So we're going to let it cool off just a bit. There we go. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all future tutorials. Thanks, everyone.